G'day trendsetters. I've got a little story to tell you about these three little onions here. But first I'd like to take a chance and bring back 3-Minute Mondays. So here we go. So the story, I've got a little story to tell you about these onions. I bought about 3 years ago now, I bought a punnet of onions, Diggers Club onions, onion seedlings from Bunnings, and I brought them home and grew them, and they were a lovely onion. And that year I let a couple go and saved the seed and replanted them again last year. But last year they were a little bit disappointingly small, so without really giving it much thought, I just pulled a whole lot up and stuck them in a container. Then by the time I came around to this year, I wanted to plant them again and have another go, and I realised I had no seed. So what I'm doing now is I've planted these small onions about a month ago. Just planted them back into the soil just keeping the neck above the ground like a onion would, and I'm letting them grow. They won't form an onion as such, but they will grow and set seed, and I'll have seed for next year. So I'm going to miss a year. The second reason I'm going for the seed is that I can't find the name of this onion. It's a nice little red onion. It's a hot, not super hot, but a nice hot onion. Probably good salad onion. And I want to grow some more, and I can't find the name of the seed. I can't find the name of the seed on the website. So the only way I can do it is to grow them on and set my own seed. Now there's just a few things I want to say. If you want to try this, if you buy an onion that you really like, and if you buy it from the supermarket, chances are it won't come true to type. It's more than likely an F1 seedling, or a F1 hybrid, sorry. But if you have a heritage type onion, which I know this one is because that's all Digger's seed, then fine, they'll come true to type from seed as long as they don't cross-pollinate with any other onions you have around. The third one, so the theory goes, is seed you save from your own garden is more acclimatised to your conditions, your soil type, your nutrient levels and all that sort of stuff. So as the plant grows, sets seeds, and it remembers where it grew. So the theory goes. I don't know how they work this stuff out. But to err on the side of the theory being correct, this is another reason why I like to save and collect my own seed and replant my own seed each year and year in and year out. So for now I just need to keep these guys watered, get them to grow, they'll set seed, I'll save the seed, and next year I hope to have a bumper of these little Diggers red. They are meant to grow at least yay big, so they were a very puny crop last year. I don't know what went wrong. I had good soil, might have been a bit dry, I'm not real sure. But hopefully next year, another 12 months when I'm planting the seed that I saved from this, all will be good. I hope you got something out of that. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Please like and subscribe. All makes my YouTube world go round. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.